Y'all ready? Y'all got your three? You got your three? The control panel, you ready? DJ, give me that. Steve's addicted to coffee. This is his second cup. Oh my goodness. Don't be afraid to let that rape you. You know what I'm saying? That music is tired. I don't know about y'all.
Go in, yo.
Go ahead. Cheers.
Let's go, Ty.
Check one. Tie. Tie one. Oh. It's all good. Oh, 2 rounds apiece. Oh. Let's go.
Let's go, Wolf.
I seen this YouTube video of a wolf killing a coyote. Crazy. Go ahead, Wolf.
Yeah, Mike.
Go ahead, Mike. I just got his name on the fly. Nice. Let's go! Oh, he dancing on it. Whoa! Whoa! Point drop! Oh!
Yeah!
Next round. Go ahead, Dave. Oh, snap. Sorry. Whoa! Take my bottle. Nice. Whoa! Wow. Wipe off this sweat and say, I ain't done. I'm just having fun. Nice. Touch. Uh-oh. Aye. About to get, you know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all better get that. Let's go.
Wolf.
That was a strong slap. Are you alright? Is that bam? Whoa! Husky joint. Oh! Well, Wolf. Shout out for the 9 to 5 B-boys.
I call him Jacob because he's taking Wolf.
Dave.
Whoa! They gotta do all these rounds,
Hey, there's pizza around. We should be promoting that. You see that? He's a shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Nice. Nice. You're suspended, bro. Nice. That's it? Is that it? Oh, you guys got one more? Oh, Dave won one more. Go ahead, Doug. He's got the doctor of music. Doctor of Grace. Oh, he's going in. Oh! He said a little. Give it up, y'all. Give it up, y'all. Give it up. That was a little butt leg, you know what I'm saying? They took a little shirt off. They was getting it in right there, y'all. You guys gotta appreciate that. All right, judges. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Give it up. Give it up. Give it up. Give it up.